and welcome to this platform. My name is Marjorie Nantambi, your personal growth and finance coach. And remember, in this quarter, we are talking money. But before that, if you haven't joined the Vision Board Mastermind, click the link in the description and join us on the Vision Board Mastermind, where we see how to set goals, how to live our best life, how to achieve the dreams that we want to achieve. So in this quarter, like I mentioned, we are talking money. And if you didn't watch the last video, which was about making the money, how do we make the money? If you haven't, I'll link it either on the screen or in the description. But today we are talking saving or keeping the money, because like we said, there are three things when it comes to money: how to make the money, so get the money, keep the money, and grow the money. Today we are keeping the money. It is very important. Why? Because the only money that is yours is the money that you save. Should I say that again? The only money that is yours is the money that you save. So guess what? If you worked maybe last month and you got your salary, I would ask you a question. Even if you just made money from your business, how much of that money did you actually save? Are you thinking about it? Did you actually save any money? Now guess what? If you didn't save any money, you worked for free or you volunteered, if I'm to put it in very simple terms. Why? Like I said, the only money that is yours is the money that you save. But before we get into today's video, remember I'm at Ibamba restaurant just next to Uganda Museum. You can come in, get some juice, have some lunch, have some breakfast, have your events here at Ibamba restaurant. So let's get back into the video. How do we save the money? Or someone may be wondering, okay, I want to save, but where do I actually start? Now guess what? We have what we call a money management plan. And I actually read this in a book called Straightforward Financial Growth by Moses Mukisa. I hope you have read that book already, because I keep recommending it here. If you want to work on your money, if you want to work on your finances, Straightforward Financial Growth is the book that you need. So how do we save the money? Like I said, we have a money management plan, and you can use percentages. That's the best way to start, because you say, okay, I'm getting this money is actually not enough for me to sustain my expenses, but how do I save money off the little money that I'm earning? So the first thing, use percentages. And if you're a Christian, that is 10%. The first 10% is tithe. That is tithe. The money that you make, 10% is God's money, because we believe that He is a partner in your business or at your workplace. Because remember that Deuteronomy chapter 8:18 that we keep referring to, that God has given you the power to make wealth. So that means He is actually a partner in this business or at this job. So get the 10% tithe, and then immediately 20% is for saving. 20% is for saving. Remember, I said the only money that is yours is the money that you've saved. So try to remember the money you have on your bank account or that you've saved away. That's the only money that is yours. The money that you're making next month is not your money, because guess what? If you sit down and just write down the expenses that you have, remember when you earn this money, maybe you're earning maybe 1 million or 2 million. You sit down and then save. Okay, you take off the tithe, and then rent. How much is that? Transport, food, entertainment, and all these expenses in a month. When you actually sit down, and I want you to take some time after this video, sit down and look at all your expenses that you have. How much money is left? You'll find that it's zero, maybe you're even in negatives. So that's why it's important for you to save before you spend, because if you first pay the expenses, you'll not have any money left to save. So when you get the money, take off the tithe and immediately save 20%. If you're still struggling with saving, right, like this is your money management plan. So you can say, I'll start with 5%, then I'll grow to 10%, and then 15%, and then 20%. Whatever it is your money, it is your percentages, but make sure you have a percentage that you are saving. So after the 20% saving, then you can have a 10% giving, because we need to be generous people, right? 10%, and you know, you have baby showers, weddings, and all these things. You can have a 10% for giving, and then the 60% for your expenses. You can live off the 60%. So whatever you do with the percentages, make sure you have some money that you are saving. And like they say, if you feel you don't have any money left, two options: either cut down on your expenses or increase your income streams. Yes, if you feel you want all these things you're spending on, then increase your income. And if you didn't watch that video about income streams or how to make money, it is a video that I posted before this, and you don't want to miss the next video, because you're going to be talking now, how do we grow this money? But remember, if you want to join us on the Vision Board Mastermind, click the link in the description, join us there. And if you have any questions about finances, how do you handle money, budgeting, and all those things, put them in the description or in the comment section, and then I'll answer every single question. Or you can reach out on my social media platforms, Marjorie Nantambi, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Leave that comment there, leave that question there in my DMs or any of my posts, and then I'll definitely come here and answer all your money questions. Thank you for being here, and see you in the next video.